double slit experiment, which is like a heart of quantum mechanics. And based on this experiment, many new concepts in quantum mechanics were developed and strengthened so many theories like many world interpretation, quantum immortality, etc., which are supported by quantum mechanics. From the above theories, we'll discuss about many world interpretation in this video. To discuss about this, you must be aware of double slit experiment which was discussed in our previous video briefly. And that link is also given in the below description and do check it out once. In that experiment, when atoms were sent through double slit, many lines were formed on the screen like a wave. And when we switched on the detector, the atoms which were sent through the double slit formed only two lines on the photosynthetic screen. But when we removed the detector, it again started to form multiple lines on the screen which gave an evidence about duality of an atom. So, by the above experiment we can say that atoms possess wave nature too, which means atoms occupy multiple places at once when it's unseen by us. Because the same wave can't be at multiple places at the same time, but similar waves can be. Means when we see that it will be at a fixed and constant position, but it can also have many other positions at that same time which we can't see. This is known as superposition. Atom's position may be at a particular place right now, but its superpositions can be at any place at that same time. We know that matter is made up of atoms. Means if we see anything right now, its superposition can be at any place at that same time. We are made up of atoms, and even our earth is also made up of atoms, and our universe is also made up of atoms. So we can say that atoms of our universe can make many other universes which are superposition to ours. So is our universe unique? Because from science fiction to science fact, there is this concept that suggests that there could be other universes besides our own where all the choices you made in this life played out in alternate realities. This is known as parallel universe or multiverse theory, which was originated by Hugh Everett. We know that around 13.7 billion years ago, our universe was started by Big Bang. According to Big Bang, some unknown trigger caused our universe to expand and inflate in three-dimensional space. Eventually, the same particles began to form into larger pieces of matter like galaxies, stars, etc. But one big question with this theory is, are we the only universe out there? Means, is our only universe formed by Big Bang, which strengthened this parallel universe theory? Not only this, many theories were proposed supporting this mini world interpretation, and now let's discuss about them. Let's take a balloon. If we blow that, it expands in our atmosphere. Similarly, our universe is also expanding like a balloon. Then where our universe is expanding? Balloon means it is expanding in our atmosphere. Then what about our universe? Means is there something outside in which our universe is expanding? Can't it be other universe which is out of us, which says about multiple universes and strengthen this multiverse theory? Arno Alan Penzias and Robert Woodrow Wilson, named great physicists, have discovered cosmic microwave background, which means a faint glow of light that fills the universe, and most of it is a radiation. And for this discovery, they also received Nobel Prize in 1978. In the year 2004, when scientists were studying this cosmic wave background, a spot which lies in southern part, which is known as cold spot with diameter 1.8 billion light years, had temperature much cooler than the surroundings area, with a difference of 0.00015 degrees Celsius. One explanation is that it simply doesn't exist, being just an illusion created by the expansion of universe. Scientists called it a supervoid as it holds with 10,000 fewer galaxies only, and hence the temperature is cold there. But the study in UK Royal Astronomical Society claims to prove that the supervoid isn't a valid solution to this mystery. After many research, they said that as another universe collided our universe at that spot, it lost its energy, which resulted in decrease of temperature. This also supported multiverse theory and made it stand strong. Not only this, there are many arguments to held in contradiction to this, but there are no certain proofs for that. But yeah, this parallel universe is such a mind-blowing one that was accepted by quantum mechanics. What do you think about this concept? Let me know in the comment section, and have a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated.